Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Cleopatra Hove. I am from the Eastern Cape, so today I'm going to be telling you guys about my beautiful province, the Eastern Cape. The Eastern Cape is such a beautiful and interesting province that is ideal for the study of earth system science. It's got the long stretches of unspoiled rocky sand, beaches, rocky caves, as well as secluded lagoons and towering cliffs. The province's diverse landscapes, from the dry and desolate Great Karoo to the lush forests of the Wild Coast and the mountainous Drakensberg. Now I'm going to be telling you about the climate of the Eastern Cape. The Eastern Cape has an interesting climate because the temperatures constantly change. It is highly varied. We have the west, which is dry with spurts of rain during the winter or summer, as well as the frosty winters and hot summers that we're experiencing at the moment. Further, we have got the rainfall, which becomes more plenty during summer as well as spring. And yeah, basically that's what I can tell you about the climate of our province, the Eastern Cape. Now I'm going to be telling you about the culture of the Eastern Cape. The people in the Eastern Cape, basically it's mostly the Xhosas, but there are also different tribes of the Xhosas. We've got the Xhosas, we've got the Mpondos, and many more. And there's a versatile culture in the Eastern Cape because there's 80% of Black African as well as the whites, the Asians. What I can say is multicultural province. And then now I'm going to be telling you about the geology of the Eastern Cape. What makes the geology of the Eastern Cape ideal for the earth system science? It is because it lies in the Karoo supergroup, which stretches from the Cape to the rest of the Eastern Cape, if I may say so. And then there are different types of rocks that are found in the Eastern Cape, but mostly it is the sedimentary rock with a little bit of the dolerite intrusion. Under the sedimentary rocks, we've got the silts, we've got the black shell, where in the black shell we find the gas, basically methane gas, which is used mostly in most houses in the Eastern Cape for cooking. The oceans, wow, this place is basically surrounded by water. Like everywhere you go in the Eastern Cape, from PE, East London, Port Alfred, you name it, we're surrounded by water. But mostly the ocean that is surrounding the Eastern Cape is the Indian Ocean, which has the warm currents, which are caused by the upwelling processes due to the local deflection that is in the Eastern Cape. And then there are so many unspoiled and virtually untouched beaches. Well, like for example, we've got the beaches in Port Elizabeth, we've got the beaches in Port Alfred, Port St. John's, and so many places. Now I'm going to be telling you about the biology of the Eastern Cape. Well, in the Eastern Cape, conservation is highly on the eye, and in the Eastern Cape with some my bad. Anyway, because of the warm currents in the oceans, we've got plenty of aquatic life and plants as well. So the Eastern Cape is basically important for the study of earth system science because of the biodiversity in the Eastern Cape. We've got 20 kilometers from Alice. I just recently discovered that we've got a game reserve there, which is very important as well for... Yes, thank you. Woo!